Hey guys, we got a special offer on WarriorPlus right now for WordPress Alpha for the blog template. Now we've got a product launch going on there right now, and there is a funnel with various template types within that funnel. This front end offer is for this template that you can see here right now. This is the blog template, and this template is really fast. It's optimized for speed, it's optimized for SEO, and it's optimized for marketing elements as well. And what I mean by that is that it's not just got plugins installed, but the plugins are actually configured, okay, leaving you very, very little that you need to do to be able to get your site up and running and ready to add content. In fact, I've spent days on this template to save you from having to go through that process every single time that you want to build a new website. So this template is very, very good. It's been tested. It's got a whole bunch of different plugins for different things, and the settings will be done as far as we can take them. Now the only caveat is that you need to use this with either DigitalOcean or you use it with Cloudways. Now I recommend using Cloudways, and they've got a special offer on right now where you can get $20 credits from them as well. The reason we're doing that is so that we have very fast sites, and Cloudways is a very safe hosting as well. It's a secure hosting, it's a managed hosting, and they have automated backups, and they're actually very, very, very good company to host with. Okay, it's my favorite one from all the ones that we've used before for WordPress hosting. Okay, so you can see the template is very clean, very nice. These posts on here right now, they are all no index. You can either overwrite them or just delete them and start adding your own content, and you can see that we've got nice design here. Nothing too fancy, but it doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to be clean, to be fresh, to be fast, to be optimized, not just for search engine optimization, which it is, but also for the speed and also for the marketing elements. Now if you just give me a second to refresh this, you can see how fast that template is. It's lightning fast. That's because it's with very, very fast hosting, okay, and it's got some pop-ups and some slide-ins and some embedded call to actions as well. So you can see here the blog post, there are no sidebars here. There's no point to put sidebars in your blog post, because you're just putting more external links. Okay, so you can just change your content here, just wipe it all out, and you've got all these nice pop-up call to action things in here as well. Now we've got a really good deal on this right now, and it's very, very easy to install. So let me talk about the deal, and that is starting from $27 for 10 site licenses for the blog template. If you purchase this today, you can only use it for the blog template. Okay, if you want to buy some other templates, they're in the funnel, and that means that you can do 10 websites with the blog template. Okay, now to install it, it's really easy. It's super fast, super easy to be able to do. And I'll just bring over the WordPress Alpha dashboard over here so that you can see it. Okay, you can see I've got a whole bunch of blogs in here, all on Cloudways. And to add a site, it's very easy. You click on create a site, and you can choose whether to use DigitalOcean or whether to use Cloudways. I prefer to use Cloudways. It's affordable. With a 2 GB server with them, what you can do is get about 10 websites on there. Okay, so you can just choose 2 GB server. You can choose the location, give it a label for your server name, and you just basically submit from here. And once you've submitted that, it's going to ask you for your domain name and the domain URL. Okay, just add that in and click a button, and about 10 minutes it takes, and your server will be deployed on Cloudways. Your WordPress template will be deployed, and all you have to do then is a DNS and one-click SSL certificate installation. It takes about 12 minutes in total, and you've saved hours of work. In fact, it takes me days to build these templates. I keep going back and forward just to make sure everything is just right. And these templates get updated every week. Okay, so when you go to install your next site, there will be a template that's been updated, the plugin's up to date, no longer than 7 days on that version of the template when you go to deploy your next website. Okay, now this is great if you want to do things like niche sites, if you're into niche site building for driving traffic and making money from advertising or from affiliate commissions, etc., it's perfect for that. Okay, if you're into blogging, it's perfect for that as well, and it will save you a ton of work, really tons and tons of work. All you have to do is personalize the site, put a new title, new description, a few things that I put in a checklist, which is just about a dozen things that you need to do. Change your category names, for example, etc. Just basic things that's going to fit your website, fit your niche, and you are done. Okay, so this is for a limited time. You can get 10 site license for just $27. Okay, if you want to get more site licenses, you can see the buy buttons on the sales page. At the bottom of the sales page in the buy button area, you will see there are 3 different options. I suggest you take the highest option, and it's not about the money, it's about getting value. Okay, because this is going to save you a ton of time, and you get a nicely optimized site, and all you have to do is focus on your content. Thanks, I'll see you in the inside.